Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. It is well known that Brunei has long relied on its oil and gas sector, but with economic diversification now as a national priority, the industries such as the halal manufacturing and information technology are gaining a little bit more of attention. So while the halal industry in Brunei primarily focuses on food and beverages, a growing trend suggests that there is an increased interest in halal cosmetics industry. I am Ayman Samhani Abdul Halim, and in this article we explore how local cosmetic producers perceive the value of halal certification on their cosmetic product. So the rise of local cosmetic brands in Brunei actually signals a shift towards a more diverse halal industry in the country. However, research on halal certification, specifically on the cosmetic products in Brunei, remains limited. So this study, it aims to investigate how these local cosmetic brands or how these local cosmetic producers perceive the role of halal certification on their own local cosmetic products. So to understand their perspective, we conducted face-to-face interviews with 8 local cosmetic producers in Brunei, irrespective of whether their products are being produced in the country or abroad. So we use a qualitative content analysis. We examine their views on the significance of halal certification and its impact on their cosmetic products. So our research has been able to identify 5 core values of which the local cosmetic producers associate with halal cosmetics. In other words, these local cosmetic producers believe that when they can achieve or when they can obtain halal certification for their cosmetic products will be able to achieve these 5 core values, which are the cleanliness, product quality, adherence to religion, safety assurances, and lastly, the global recognition. We also found that these local cosmetic producers hold a positive view generally in obtaining the halal certification for their products, recognizing it as a valuable asset that carries market competitiveness and consumer confidence. Therefore, it is reasonable to say that these findings highlight the Brunei's potential in cosmetic industry in expanding throughout the global halal market. So for business owners, policymakers, and other relevant stakeholders, understanding these perspectives are cardinal in supporting local brands and strengthening the halal certification framework. In summary, I believe our study has shed new light on how these local cosmetic producers perceive halal certification as a key factor in the growth of the industry. To explore our full findings, kindly check out our article in Malaysian Journal of Sharia and Law, USIM. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Feel free to reach us and share your insights on this evolving industry. Wabillahi tawfiq wal hidayah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.